Hello guys, welcome back to my channel GK Dude. The British Museum in the Bloomsbury area of London, United Kingdom is a public institution dedicated to human history, art and culture. Its permanent collection of some 8 million works is among the largest and most comprehensive in existence. It was the first public national museum in the world. British Museum was established in 1753, largely based on the collections of the Irish physician and scientist Sir Hans Sloane. It first opened to public in 1759 in Montague House on the site of current building. The British Museum Reading Room, situated in the centre of Great Court of British Museum, used to be the main reading room of British Library. In 1973, the British Library Act 1972 detached the library department from their museum, but it continued to host the now separated British Library in the same reading room and building as the museum until 1997. The round reading room was designed by architect Sidney Smyke and opened in 1857. For almost 150 years, researchers came here to consult the museum's vast library. It has since been closed while its future use remains under discussion. The Department of Ancient Egypt and Sudan is a department forming an historic part of the British Museum, housing the world's largest and most comprehensive collection of Egyptian antiques of about 1 lakh pieces. British Museum, Department of Coins and Medals, is a department of British Museum involving 1 million coins, medals, tokens and other related objects. The collection of spans the history of coinage from its origins in the 7 BC to the present day. There are more than 60 free galleries at the British Museum ready to be explored. Recommended visiting time is at least 3 to 4 hours. The Department of the Middle East, numbering some 336,000 works, forms a significant part of the world's collections of the British Museum and the world's largest collection of Mesopotamian antiques outside Iraq. The Department of Asia in the British Museum holds one of the largest collections of historical objects from Asia. These collections comprise over 75,000 objects covering the material culture of the ancient continent and dating from Neolithic age up to the present day. Each year, the British Museum is visited by more than 5 million visitors. Other of the main reason to visit it is the fact that you can do it for free. A free entrance in the expensive London is more than a reason to get inside and discover some of the best art pieces. Thank you. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.